stuck in between. I'm stuck in that position. I'm just a machine. So you're stuck in the middle, huh? I guess we're stuck in between. Life is a riddle, yeah. And I don't know what it means, no. This is what it feels like. But you're not alone, 'cause I'm just like you. Let's share out and hitchhike. There is nothing we can't do. Ooh, baby, as long as I got you. I'm gonna open up my eyes this time. Open my heart and do it with a smile. I'm gonna love, give me your love. You're still.
Good morning! Today is June 27. Kahapon pala, hindi ako nag-vlog kasi sobrang pagoda. So, eto na yung next vlog after ng handaan niya. Kagigising niya lang, ano pa lang naman, 9:46 yung mga boys. Nakapag-breakfast na sila. Nagluto si Papang hotdog, bacon, fried rice. So, yun yung breakfast nila. Hindi ko na na-vlog guys kasi I'm working. Nag-e-edit ako. So, ngayon nagkikik sila ng footy. And, yeah. Parang uulan. Kahapon, lakas ng ulan din. Wala rin tayong masyadong ganap kahapon. Dito lang. Pumunta akong, barbecue. Mga, 10:30 na ng gabi. Kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan. Right, Baba? We went to the barbecue last night. Yeah. Masain ka na tayo. Ito yung breakfast, guys. Ito yung breakfast namin. Bacon, eggs, and hotdog. Fried rice. Ito lang yung fried rice na gusto ng boys.
Always.
Wala rong isda. Sabi ni Papa, mamaya pa lang. Wala pang lutong lunch para mamaya.
Are we going to the pool at 11?
Hmm?
Are we going to the pool at 11?
To the pool?
At 11.
Papa pala, nag-swimming sila. Kasi hindi tayo nag-vlog. Nag-swimming sila. Kasi ngayon, gusto nila ulit na mag-swimming.
It was deeper yesterday, Mom.
It's deeper now.
It's gonna be like nearly full.
Full. Kasi yung first swimming nila, di ba, hindi pa puno.
Barely in the water.
Have you seen Tito Dick there? Or Tito Dick there when you swim yesterday?
No.
Yeah.
Tsaka, parang yung dulo yun, parang 6 foot or
Yeah, mas malalim yung sa dulo.
5'9" or something like that. Na-try ko na doon dati. Doon ako nag-practice kami ni Lolo mag-swimming. Doon ako tinurukan.
Ni Lolo?
Opo.
Can you get me chocolate milk, please, Sandra?
Okay.
Meron pa ba na?
Uh,
Okay. Oh, ganda sila. You have to finish it. Okay.
Chocolate.
Hindi nila inubos yung ganyang kalaki. Kaya binili ko yung maliliit. Tinanggal pala dyan kasi nung naghanda, walang mapaglalagyan ng mga salad, cake. So, tinanggal ulit namin. Nilagay sa box. Hindi pa naibalik. Di ba nilagay namin yun ni Mama? Tinanggal nila ulit kasi nga naghanda. Walang mapaglagyan ng mga salad nga. Tapos yung iba pa.
May binili kayong gata?
Ay, wala na. Nakalimutan natin.
Ang ganyan ko ta, ang sarap.
Yung sa Fruit Loops nyo.
Ang burger, parang natural lang, flavor.
Okay ah. Nice. Kano na kanya. Nandito yung best friend niya. Best friend niya si Ate Ever. Dito kabe, tago kabe. Tago siya. Happy birthday! I promise to you I have a surprise for you. Tito Cloyd have a surprise. Where is the surprise? Surprise. Nagtago. Doon sa may kusina ata. Who's that? What's that? What's that? Gusto niya si Tita Ever niya eh. Wala kang work be? Day off? Day off. Yan si Tita, may dala siya sa aking ulam. Ha, nabakal. Ayan na. Ah, may corn. Ay, bongga. Luto na?
Niluto ko nga ni. O yan ho.
So, corn sa paghali mo? Ay, siram. Ayun, may sinigang na hipon siyang dala sa akin. Oh my God, my corn. Corn. Sak, naboboard na siya. Corn?
Awi.
Ikaw nagluto ta? Ikaw nagluto ta?
Para mabakan basta na ako. Kikangkong, budas, radish.
Para sa sinigang?
Para sa sinigang. Tapos nakabakal ako bisarong mais duman.
Ay, mainitong pa.
Nice ka mo. Niya igwa. Ano kurang ano? Sana ko
Pag wala na,
una ko 50.
Kasi nag-uusap kami sa gusto kong corn. Sabi niya, parang 50 ang kill. Sabi ko, kahit basta may corn. Tapos, umalis siya kanina, kasi magluto siya ng sinigang na hipon. Bumili siya ng yun nga, radish saka kangkong. Nakita niya to, 80 kilos. Ayun, bumili na. Ikaw na hilaw mo pa siya nabili. Wala na silang luto.
Hindi man sila nagluluto.
Ah, hilaw na talaga. Ayan, oh. Ang init pa niluto ni Tita. Thank you. Yeah, it's still hot. I can even touch it. It's so hot. All of pepper and salt. Zach, you wanna try? Hot. Nice. Yung tamis-tamis na maalat-alat. Sarap. Sa balo, gusto niya kainin sa inasal. Igdarang.
Mamo.
Okay. Pag-again sa beach. Igdarang. Gusto niya. Sarap. You want one? Yeah, it's just hot. Nice, no, Zach? Sarap. Nice, yeah? Kuya, okay. Better with salt. We're gonna get the pepper and salt and butter next time. May mga request. It's better with butter, with salt and pepper.
Abukan magmoto. Bukulit, nag-ate magpaligas kita kami. Gano'n da karayo. Sabi ko, it's an hour drive.
An hour drive.
Hi, Zach.
Punta sila sa bahay ni Tita Ever.
Hi, Zach.
Careful for the dog, ha? Watch out the dog, Holly. Don't pat the dog, okay? Thank you.
And then you can share it with your new best friend.
Oh! Say, okay, we're going. You just follow, okay?
Yeah.
Magsiswimming sila, pero nagpapa-hairstyle. Kausap namin si Auntie Mel. Siya, miss you daw, Baba. I miss you daw. Sak! Tita Mel, miss you.
I miss you too.
Alright. Okay, man.
They'll have no one at football this
I know. Oh, get that Sak because someone will slippery. Yeah, they lost. Ayan na sila, oh. Ito yung ginagawa nila paghapon. Minsan umaga. Kahapon, nandito rin sila everyday since na nalagyan na ng tubig. Medyo full na yung, yung pool. Ayan na yan. I think that's it. Puno na siya. Ang ganda na pagkagawa mo ng buhok niya. Kaya gustong... Ganyanin mo siya lagi kasi ang ganda. Look at the hair, so pretty. Oh, wow.
And then ready? Solid.
Tinatry nilang yung silang tatlo ba? Angkas-angkas. Nakaya ni Holly tsaka ni Sak, tsaka ni Sandro silang tatlo.
Ready, set, go.
Down. Quick. Okay, up. Up, up, up. Kaalis-alis lang ni Sak. Doon na raw kayo magkita sa bahay. Come on, boys! Holly, come on, let's go! Ito na pa, Holly, guys. And meron tayong potato chips. Yung uwishi. Meron pa itong mais. Meron pala ditong sinigang na hinatid si tita. Kain tayo. You're gonna have a shower now. Go. Ayan, magsinigang tayo na hipon. Yung bigay ni tita, ayaw nila. First time ko itong itatry. Pero nagbenta ko nito, sold out agad. So, gusto ko rin siyang itry. Curious din ako. Malulubat tayo, guys. Yung mga bata, gusto nila mag-McDonald's. Wala kasing Jollibee, guys. Kasi nga rin renovate. Yeah, maybe. Gusto ko sana mang inasal. Gusto ko sana mang inasal kasi...
Mom?
Ha?
No, maybe.
No, maybe.
Yes,
Hindi na siya mainit.
Mom, cake.
Cake? May ribbon dyan. Yung braso de Mercedes.
Butterflies.
Diyan. May sili. Ayan, pagdating ko na. Malulubat na tayo.
You got it. Where is this?
Oh, ang anghang. Yung ano talaga to, yung sanggaria. Dito, talagang sobrang anghang yung maliit siyang sili. Pero mas sobrang anghang.
Well, there is no knife around here.
There is.
What's inside?
Wow. Try natin siya. Ay, masarap siya, ha? Ay, tawag talaga siyang juice. Parang mayroon na namang ma-add na favorite ko. Kasi yung gusto ko ay Berry Glow, tsaka yung Choco Blast, tapos yung Four Seasons ni Lux Skin. Lux Skin ba yun? Lux Skin. Tapos eto. You don't like it?
No. Too soft.
Too what?
Soft.
Too soft. Ah, that's meringue. You know the pavlova? Yeah, that's what it is. Pero braso de Mercedes ayaw nila. Malambot daw.
Where's the other one?
The cake, the other one for Christianing, ubos na. I think finished.
What's this?
That's me.
So for Macca's, I want that.
Gusto niya yung burger.
That
Rice yung may burger, rice burger ba yun?
one with the stuff.
Mushroom?
Yeah, and then spaghetti. Spaghetti there.
Dalawang order niya. Mag-Dutch meal siya. Pumunta siya sa bakery. May nadaan ko yung bakery. What did you buy? Tapos na ako. Huh? Why you got two? You wanna eat? I have here prawns. Good? How much? 5 pesos? Berta, una may sinigang pa. What time is it? Anong oras na pa?
Alas 7 na.
Magsi-7 na. Alis kami mag-McDonald's. Sabi ko sa kanila, maglakad kami papuntang plaza. Dito tayo sa isang bahay kila mama. Ayan. Hinintay lang namin kasi may ginawa si mama. Nire-raid nila ang ref ng lola nila. Oh, meron siyang nakuha. What's that, Zach? Okay, let's go. We're going. Come on. First time nila dito. Kami pala. Kasi, nire-renovate to guys na bahay ni mama. What's that, Zach?
Is this Filipino one?
What's that?
Na Magasolo.
The Bible. Yeah, that's the Bible. Malapit na kayo sa McDonald's. My God, ang pawis. Karating din tayo sa malamig. Dara mo pa? Dara. Dito na yung order namin, guys. Yours is spaghetti, Zach. That's yours. That's yours.
Can you get me a
Chicken with spaghetti. That's yours too, kuya. Yeah.
Where's the other one?
Just wait. There's more coming. Just wait. Gustong-gusto ni, you're welcome. Gustong-gusto ni kuya yung burger steak. Kami nila mama sa Mang Inasal kami. Kasi gusto ko i-try yung Mang Inasal. Lola has. Yeah, there's more coming. Sunday. Alaking, ito, caramel chocolate
Nasaan ko yung mga
That's only. Nice. That's chocolate para kay mama. Favorite niya, yung parang mag-dessert muna kami bago kayo kumain. What? So that's no, that's for your chicken, kuya. Si kuya dalawang order, some chicken with spaghetti and then dalawang steak burger. What's wrong? Ayun na yung round 2 ni Sak ng spaghetti. Next, pag second na ni Sak yan, oh. So punta na sila sa barbecue ni Tita Ying. Kasama si Tita Ever. Kami ni Mama at ni Papa kakain dito sa mga... Bea, ikaw na para sa mga bata ha. Thank you. See ya!
Nagbubutas ka.
Maski gusto ng butasan ni Birthday, siya nagbubutas. Don't get too big, alright? Only rice kasi dito. Don't get too big daw. Ayan, pasok tayo dito.
You want spaghetti?
No? Pina-take out ni Papa. Papa asked for takeaway. No, that's enough of food. You had too much. No.
Sabi ko,
Ayan, tinake out ni Papa. Akala ko doon kayo kakain.
sabi ko, dada,
Kaya may sili, soya sauce, oil.
Yan.
Mang Inasal nga. Thank you. Ni Ying.
Kinaon ni Sauro.
Say, nagdigdi si Tito sa... Nag-order pa silang pansit dun sa kapit. Mainit ha?
Divide into 3.
Sabi na susukan na.
It will make my taste sensitive.
Patikman mo din si ano.
Patikman mo rin kay kanina to?
Divide into 3.
It's too hot. If I eat this, Mum.
Ano? Spicy.
If I eat this, Mum. Mum. If I eat this, can you give me
Wow.
anything.
50 pesos?
Ako nagtikrave man nga niya ako kang kasibaw. Kaya napikis-pisip ko punta. Walit makakaputan.
Okay, that's it. Give it to Tita Ying. That's Tita Ying. That's enough.
Wait lang.
Okay. Give it to Tita Ying. Kuya Sak. Sak.
If I eat this,
Go get it. Give it to Tita Ying. That's enough.
Mum, if I eat this, can you give me 50 pesos?
No.
20?
No.
10?
Nothing.
20?
That's enough.
No, Sandra. No, eat it.
Murahon man kay Sandro. Diyan na. Kain tayo guys. Isa kumain ng sili.
Do it again, do it again.
Want it from?
Maling mo. Makinag mo ang sa pandit.
What are you eating, Sandra?
Why do you don't want it? Why?
This is so spicy.
You ate the green one, not the red one.
The red one. Maharang ka. Maharang na talaga.
Kaya nga, hindi ba gawin yun? Hanggang may makarasali.
Lagay ko nga sour taste. It's hard to earn money, yan, no, sir? You have to eat the...
Easy to earn money. Just eat, spicy.
Nandun yung dalawa kay Kuya Jackie. Tamang tambay sila doon. Ang sarap namang inasal. Tinakasan pala namin yung mga bata, guys. Dito kami sa, ano tawag dito? Seawall. Kasi hindi kami kasya dito sa e-bike ko. Kami lang nila mama tsaka kapatid ko. Ayan siya, oh. Hindi ko siya gusto mag-drive. Ano siya, yung kadyot-kadyot. Kaya pala sabi ni Kuya, o tingnan mo. Saan ka ba magpa-park? Magre-reverse. Okay, tara.
Stuck in the middle, yeah, I'm stuck in between. I'm stuck in that position. I'm just a machine, so you're stuck in the middle, huh? I guess we're stuck in between. Life is a riddle, yeah, and I don't know what it means, no. This is what it feels like, but you're not. Just like you, let's share out and hitchhike.
Dito yung gusto ng mga bata. Galing na sila dito ng kapatid ko. Dito sa Periang. Gusto nila pumunta. Baka bukas. Dito sila. Balik na tayo. Balikan na natin yung mga bata dun sa plaza. Dito kami sa fruit stand. Tingin tayong santol. Tara, ikaw mag ano.
Tsaka orange. May orange pa, be?
Santol. May ponkan. Deng lansones.
May orange low.
Madaling aray ko. Madaling ubakan. Ay, ponkan. Iyan nga. Malumoy. Gusto ko matagas na hubal. Tabi. Ikaw, pilihan mo kung matagas, no? Please. Thank you. Tapos na tayong mamili ng fruits. Egg naman. Magkano ang tray na Noy? Kuya po, magkano? 950 pesos daw ang isang tray. Okay po. Umuwi muna kami. O, diba ang dilim? Para ihatid itong mga pinamili natin. Hindi natin makita si mama. So, ilagay niya muna dun sa terrace. Ako na, ma. Ako na. Canada, ah. Okay, nakabalik na tayo dito. Nasaan yung mga bata? Ayan na. Oy, watch out, Papa. That's, oh, look. It's Yaki. Dito sila, oh. I love tobacco. Kumuha si Oli ng tissue kasi punasan namin yung heart kasi ang ganda dyan magpa-picture kaso may tae ata or ano kaya yan. Pinunasan ko pero hindi siya tae, lang parang simento din. Okay lang, Baba? Where's Crystal? No, we're not walking, Baba. Napagod to kakadansang salamin-salamin.
Yan. This is Jenny.
Oo. Ask Lola, where's Lola's towel, ma? Si Kuya magdadrive ng e-bike. Okay, go na there. Sandro, go with, na. Sama ka na dyan.
Come!
Yes, go.
Yanni Wizard.
Okay, go. Be careful, kuya, ha?
Aram na yan is ano?
Jack, agabayan mo na lang siya, Jack. Okay, kuya. See ya. Good luck, kuya. Careful. Iya. You're good, I think, yeah?
Salamin.
Ah, kuya! Bye, kuya. Wow! Ha? Hindi, ataman ito. Come on na, be. Ah, sige, come on na dyan, ma. Sige na. No, they cannot. Come on, it's alright. Come on. Wala pa yung boys. Siguro naglibot-libot muna sila. And ito yung mga napamili natin kanina.
Wait.
What take you so long?
Sandro is the stupidest driver ever. He's like, no, I did, and there was like a curve up. He hit me on the road. Like, turned, nearly hit the dog. Turned right back, and then just a Jackie just pulled the brake and like get up.
Ano?
He nearly hit the dog.
Paano kaya? Nagdumang kami sa...
Si Wall? Si Wall?
Nagpasali.
I paid that some
Okay, stop the
people.
e-bike. I'm not gonna drive.
Mom,
How about this one?
Mom, I beeped some people because they were in the way.
Bukas
I told
naman.
them that if you're not gonna follow me, then you're...
Yeah, you're not gonna drive. The best, kuya. Sis, you follow Kuya Jack Sandro. This is your... How many times you did that?
First time.
Before?
Yeah, it was better than...
Okay.
Dati kasi pinupul ko lang.
Kaya nga, next time, listen to Kuya Jackie. So,
First time ko pa lang.
no, that's your second or third, huh?
I drive on the main road. This... Oh my god, he pulled straight out in front of me.
Yeah, that's what people
I
hear.
just slid in the brakes.
Ginanta ko yung brakes.
I'm gonna say.
That was that. He would have held the horn and just went around and just...
I know. Did you enjoy it? Did you enjoy it? You enjoy it?
He was just going straight fast, turns it, goes up the hill, there's a dog there sitting there, turns back on the road, and then he went down that, and he took...
Pagkatapos, inimili ko. Binake ko agad.
Yung tagal nila, nag-drive pa pala sila.
He was a good, we thought he was a good driver, better than he needed his mum.
Nagsalad si
I
mama.
tried going up.
100 pesos.
Oh no!
Yeah, I want that.
He wants the 100 pesos.
I don't know.
No, I don't. Why? Bayaran niya raw si Tito Clyde. Dito raw patulugin si Tita ever. Please.
Mom, give me 100
And now I want that. No, this. And now. Okay.
Ayaw niya naman ibigay.
Mega code.
Paliliguan ko doon si Holly. Maliligo kayo ni Holly.
Whatever.
Binayaran niyang 100. Kinuha niya. Binalik. Binawi niya. Nang hinayang siya. Yeah.
For 100 pesos?
Binawi na nga kay Cloyd. Guys, we're gonna close our vlog. Nakaligo na kami ni Holly. Pero hindi ko binasa yung buhok ko. So yun yung vlog natin for today. Thank you.
Please like and please subscribe. See you in the
If you haven't.
See you on
Again.
Okay. Please like and please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog.
Good night. Good night, guys.
Because I think